Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to delete messages for everyone on Telegram. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, open it, and after that, go to the conversation where you want to delete the messages for everyone. Open it. And after that, long press on the message that you want to delete from everyone. And after that, click on delete. And as you can see, there is two options. The first one is to delete the message for everyone, and the second one is to delete the message only from yourself. So to delete it from everyone, we have just to click on the first option, and as you can see, the message disappeared. I wish that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.